Hello friend, welcome back again to my channel, especially for students, those who are interested with this kind of video when you are free. So please take a rest to look on my video to get more improvement for your memory and more knowledge to learn. So anyway, I don't want to take your time and please watch the video till the end. Thank you. Let's get started. Have you ever seen a cherry blossom festival? Would you like to visit the festival? Talk with your friends and family and point out the trees which is special to your area. It is a great way to celebrate the coming of spring. Let's talk what is cherry blossom. Cherry blossom is a flower of tree in the genus Prunus. Cherry blossom are different from other trees. The main difference is that cherry blossom trees don't produce fruit. They bloom with beautiful pink or white flowers each spring. Unfortunately, the tree only flowers for a week or two. A cherry blossom is also called a Japanese cherry or sakura. Each spring, thousands of people enjoy the tree during annual cherry blossom festival. Cherry blossom tree also represent human mortality, since they bloom for such a short time. They remind us how short and precious life is. Japan is not the only place you can find this beautiful cherry tree. In 1912, Japan gave more than 3,000 cherry blossom trees to the United States. So the US plant many of the trees in Washington. Today, these Japan cherry blossom are popular tourist attraction trees. The video came to an end.